I'm back.
Hello there, Internet, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Ashley. You guys sound really excited. Oh my god. I gotta put my hair up. That's gotta be step number one. Make sure your hair is out of your face because it will fall in the food, and that is just not okay. I'm actually really warm, but the only reason I am wearing a hoodie is because I don't have a bra on. So you now have that information. I look like a crackhead. My hands are washed, by the way, so that's step number two. Step number one is put your hair up. Step number two, make sure your hands are prepped and ready to go. I hate myself for doing that. I defrosted a chicken. This is some cool news. For those of you who don't know, I have moved to New York.
I'm following my dreams.
I mean, it can be expensive to eat out regardless of where you are, but predominantly in the city. So if you live in a city and you need to learn how to cook, bitch, I am your girl, okay? I'm your motherfucking girl because we about to cook up some chicken, and I'm pretty hyped about it. I'm just gonna saute mine because we don't have an oven here, but I'm moving into a different place that does have an oven. So then more baking with Ashley's can occur. But as of right now, we have this to deal with. You can't even see the chicken. We have this to deal with. So you always want to be really careful when you're dealing with raw chicken because anything you touch will get salmonella. I'm kidding. That's what my mom told me, and she really scared me the first time I cooked with chicken. That was me washing it out, by the way. Oh, there's a spare noodle here. My roommate left a noodle. The first step actually would have been to defrost your chicken if it was frozen. Put it in the sink on a plate and let it thaw out the whole day if you're making it for dinner. That's just what I always saw my parents do. That's the only reason I have this knowledge, so it may not even be right. You're supposed to do it for happy birthday. Remember that's what Jesse said? Are you supposed to sing like happy birthday to What? There's a rule you're supposed to do your name because they come to birthday. I don't know. Well, happy birthday to me. Oh, is it still frozen? It's like not moving where I want it to. Okay, I think it's still a little frozen. So what I'm gonna do is put this bad boy in the microwave for a few secs. The most quiet microwave you ever did hear is that one. Sometimes I forget I'm microwaving stuff and then I just hear it beep like 10 minutes later and I'm like, oh shit, I was microwaving. Anyways, how have you guys been? I swear I'm not on crack. I have not uploaded in like, what, 3-4 months? A lot of shit went down. Is that almost ready? 10 more seconds. Okay. I have a wedgie because these shorts are like way too short. But if I pick my wedgie, I have to wash my hands again. And I don't have time for that. Why is this not cutting? It's really hot and it's just not cutting. Bitch, what the fuck? Stop sliding everywhere, bitch. Oh look, I can see the knife through it. This is not supposed to be happening. We'll just keep cutting along the same line. It's making disturbing noises. No, we got it, we got it.
Ladies and gentlemen,
we got it. Well, I just tore that bitch right off, so. I think this part's a little fatty over here. So we're gonna get the fuck rid of her because no one wants her. Oh my god, that was me in elementary school. That was like disturbing and I don't think it was supposed to be. My favorite part of cooking any meal is the seasoning. Italian, garlic powder. My roommate, however, has this Montreal chicken seasoning, so I'm using that. I'm not gonna season it until it's in here though. So what I will do is put some coconut avocado oil. Dude, I bought avocados today. They were fucking $10. Jesus himself better have shit out those avocados, I swear to God. We'll do a little bit of Italian seasoning just to spice it up a bit. Get it? Because I'm using spices. And we'll like try to load on that chicken seasoning because every time I cook with seasonings, it really amps up the chicken. We'll just let it simmer on high for a bit while we sort everything else out. Before I start on the quinoa, which is what I'm also going to like, I think boil while I'm making the chicken. I'm gonna wash this shit because I don't want none of this salmonella-y shit.
a few minutes later.
2 cups of water. Oops. 1 cup of quinoa. Teaspoon of salt. Ew, do you see this lighting shift? Oh, that's atrocious. Come on, bitch. Stop playing with me. While this is cooking, we can get our plate of lettuce ready, folks. I put the quinoa on medium, but it's supposed to go for 15 minutes. That would make it approximately 6:45 when it's supposed to be ready. Don't know if we'll get that far. Oh yeah, this is what you want to do to your chicken, guys. You really want to make sure your chicken just gets all up in that seasoning. I mean, you can tell that it's seasoned from here. Like, that's some seasoned meat. That, like, one little piece of white over there is actually pissing me off. But I'm probably not going to do anything about it, because when do I ever actually take care of my problems instead of just ignoring them until they go away? Our trusty bowl. Throw that shit in there. We're going to do a little... Oh, I missed. I have tofu in there, and I want to really cook it, so maybe I can use that in a video and have vegans in the comments yell at me that I'm doing it wrong. No, but I actually do want to learn how to cook tofu better. I cooked it once. It tasted like scrambled eggs. I don't know if tofu is supposed to taste like scrambled eggs. It's white on the inside. Which that piece is, I believe. Shit, I can't really tell. What the fuck? Bitch, are you cooked? Okay, honestly, I think it's all cooked. That's concerning that I don't really know. We're gonna put it on low. You'll know your quinoa's done, by the way, when there's no more, like when they all separate from their little shells. It sounds really kind of gross, but that's how you know they're done. Let's try this chicken, make sure it's like cooked. That is cooked and it is seasoned, y'all. Oh damn. That Montreal steak seasoning, that shit fucks. The water has like soaked up. So when your quinoa is cooked, this is what it's gonna look like. Can you even see that? No idea where like the focus is, but it's solidified quinoa. It almost kind of looks like either beans or rice or like a mix of it. So what you're gonna wanna do with this is take your bowl. This is awkward because I'm like right-handed. And this is gonna get stuck to this pan real quickers if I don't like move it to a Tupperware container. Then what you're gonna do is take the chicken pieces that you had. Oh, we're gonna put some cheese. I eat too much cheese. Don't know whether it's because I'm Italian or not. I'm gonna use Italian dressing. Voila! You have yourself this bitch. I will take a picture of it and put it on the screen. Yeah, about that picture to put on the screen. I like started eating it before I could get the photos. So these are what we're working with. I am so proud of this, you guys. The fact that I did a cooking with Ashley that was, I think, informative. This tastes like an Ashley dinner. If you make it exactly the way I did, somehow, by God's grace, if you make it taste the exact same as it does in my mouth right now, you'll know how my food tastes and how I eat, like pretty much all the time. I hope you guys recreate this and that you enjoyed this video. And I know I disappeared from the internet for so long. I low-key went through depression, but we're not going to talk about that. Not that it's a taboo topic, so, but I will talk about it. That was the most me-structured sentence I've ever had on this channel. I'll see you guys next time with another Cooking with Ashley. Hey guys, so it's an hour or so after making the chicken. Yeah, it's about an hour after, you know, consumption, cleaning dishes. I don't know whether I cooked it all the way through. I'm gonna be straight with y'all. Do you get salmonella, or is salmonella like a thing? I don't know if it was cooked all the way through, if I'm being completely honest. Yeah, no, I might be in the bathroom a long time. I hope I don't get food poisoning. I am just like, you know what I mean? They were a little chewy, not gonna lie, and I think that's, you know, a little concerning. So if you're cooking your chicken or you're following along with this video, maybe don't do anything that I did. That's it. Enjoy the bloopers at the end of this video eventually. You know. Oops, see that booty? We've been working. Now I gotta wash my fucking hands again. Please. Who's calling me? New York has been great so far. There's a lot of streets that smell like either shit or sewer. My mom's calling me.